When looking for bread alternatives, the best place to start is by making little modifications to help replace those nutrients with other wonderful options. Here are some of the best sandwich basics you can make with healthy bread alternatives. Although lettuce contains few nutrients, it is one of the popular bread substitutes. When it comes to rigorously cutting calories or even eliminating bread for a carb reduction, lettuce wraps are your greatest friend. Lettuce wraps are an excellent bread substitute for sandwiches. A lettuce wrap can even hold a hamburger together. Nori, a staple of many Asian cuisines, is one of the greatest bread substitutes since it is high in nutrients and minerals. There's a lot to like about nori, notably the freedom to use it for whatever flavor you want. Tortillas have long been regarded as one of the most popular low-calorie bread options. With a reduced carb count and the possibility of still getting lots of fiber, they are an excellent compromise for bread lovers who are hesitant to give up grains. Tuna salad, like egg salad, can be made with avocados. Indeed, tuna salad with avocado is not only beautiful and vibrant, but it is also more filling due to the added fiber present in avocados. Top toast is also a wonderful lunch option because it is lighter than bread-heavy sandwiches. Top your choice of whole grain or gluten-free toast with protein-rich toppings of eggs, spinach, and avocados. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, and subscribe for more videos like this.